From gold-plated designs to cutting-edge engineering, these motorcycles redefine luxury. Stick around to see which one tops the list at an eye-popping $5 million. Motorcycles have always been a symbol of freedom, adventure, and style. But what if we told you that some of the most extravagant bikes on the planet come with price tags that could buy you a house or even a yacht? In this video, we're diving into the top 8 world's priciest motorcycles vehicles that not only offer insane performance, but also redefine the concept of luxury. So let's rev up the engines and take a ride through these extraordinary two-wheel machines. 1. Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. The Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter is an absolute masterpiece and currently one of the most expensive motorcycles in the world. With a jaw-dropping price tag of $11 million, this bike is far more than just a mode of transportation. It is a true work of art, blending cutting-edge technology with aesthetic brilliance. Powered by a 1200cc engine, the Fighter delivers outstanding performance, while its futuristic design with exposed mechanics gives it a sleek, aggressive, and unmistakable presence. The bike's minimalist yet complex frame is constructed from high-end materials, including titanium and carbon fiber, resulting in a structure that is incredibly lightweight yet remarkably strong, ensuring both speed and durability. What makes the Fighter even more exclusive is its limited production. Only 45 units were ever made. Each one is individually numbered and customized to the buyer's specifications, making it an ultra-rare collector's item. Street legal and designed for performance, the Fighter offers not only a visually intimidating look but also a surprisingly comfortable and smooth ride, ensuring that its owners experience both luxury and practicality. It's the ultimate fusion of form, function, and exclusivity. 2. 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine. Next up, we have a true gem for vintage enthusiasts and collectors alike, the 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine. This rare beauty is valued at around $7 million, making it one of the most expensive classic motorcycles in the world. The E90 AJS Porcupine is widely regarded for its impeccable craftsmanship, earning its place as one of the finest racing motorcycles ever built. Only 4 units were produced in the 1940s, and the one you see here is an outstanding example of post-war British engineering at its best. The Porcupine is powered by a 500cc twin-cylinder engine, a revolutionary design for its time. Built with racing in mind, it was crafted to be lightweight yet powerful, offering superior performance on the track. Its sleek, aerodynamic build allowed it to dominate during its era, making it a force to be reckoned with in competitive racing. Today, given its rarity, historical significance, and legendary status in the world of motorcycle racing, this bike is a priceless piece of history. It's a highly coveted collector's item that commands admiration from motorcycle aficionados around the globe. 3. Ecosse Spirit. Ecosse is renowned for pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design, and the Ecosse Spirit stands as one of their crowning achievements. Priced at an eye-watering $3.6 million, this bike is not just a motorcycle but a true marvel of aerospace engineering and high-performance design. Powered by a 409cc twin engine, the Ecosse Spirit is one of the most powerful motorcycles available, delivering unmatched performance on the road. However, it's not just about raw power. The design incorporates cutting-edge technology and luxury elements that make it a standout. The bike's frame is crafted from a combination of carbon fiber and titanium, providing extraordinary strength while maintaining a surprisingly lightweight profile, enhancing both agility and durability. What really sets the Ecosse Spirit apart is the level of personalization it offers. Owners can select from a range of customizations, from unique color schemes to leather finishes and even diamond-encrusted accents, allowing for a truly bespoke creation. This bike isn't just something you ride, it's something you train for. With such advanced technology and intense power, owning an Ecosse Spirit means dedicating time to mastering its handling. For those willing to rise to the challenge, it offers a one-of-a-kind, exhilarating riding experience. 4. Hildebrand Wolfmuller. Imagine owning the very first production motorcycle in history. That's exactly what the Hildebrand Wolfmuller offers, a priceless slice of automotive history, valued at a cool $3.5 million. Built in 1894, the Hildebrand Wolfmuller is considered the first ever production motorcycle, designed and manufactured in Germany. Powered by a 489cc twin-cylinder engine, it had a top speed of around 28 mph, impressive for its time. While it may not have the raw power or high speeds of modern motorcycles, its historical significance makes it incredibly valuable. The Hildebrand Wolfmuller was the result of years of pioneering engineering and innovation, marking the beginning of the motorcycle industry. It was also the first motorcycle to feature a purpose-built engine specifically designed for a two-wheeled vehicle, a groundbreaking achievement at the time. This rare, antique motorcycle is a stunning example of early motorcycle design and engineering, making it a must-have for serious collectors, motorcycle enthusiasts, and history buffs alike. Five. BMS Nemesis. Next on the list is a true showstopper in terms of both design and engineering, the BMS Nemesis, priced at a staggering $3 million. This gold-plated chopper is not just a motorcycle, it is a true example of artistic and mechanical innovation, blending style with cutting-edge technology. The Nemesis features a one-of-a-kind design that incorporates hubless wheels, a revolutionary feature that sets it apart from most other motorcycles. These hubless wheels are a masterpiece of engineering, offering a sleek and futuristic aesthetic while also ensuring exceptional performance and stability. The bike is finished with 24-karat gold plating, and every detail from the engine to the frame has been meticulously crafted with precision and care. The gold accents, coupled with the bike's overall futuristic design, make the BMS Nemesis more than just a mode of transportation, it's a statement piece. It exudes extravagance, luxury, and unmatched style, making it the ultimate symbol of opulence on two wheels. Six. Harley-Davidson Bucherer Blue Edition. When you think of luxury motorcycles, Harley-Davidson is often the first name that comes to mind. But the Harley-Davidson Bucherer Blue Edition takes luxury to an entirely new level, commanding an eye-watering price tag of $1.9 million. This one-of-a-kind masterpiece is encrusted with 360 diamonds, each carefully placed to add a sparkling touch to its already striking appearance. The bike features a custom-made design in a breathtaking shade of blue, making it a true work of art. However, it's not just about its dazzling aesthetics. The Bucherer Blue Edition is powered by a formidable 2.030cc engine, delivering exceptional performance, while its hand-built frame ensures top-tier handling and durability. What makes this motorcycle even more remarkable is the collaboration between Harley-Davidson and Bucherer, a Swiss watchmaker renowned for its precision and luxury timepieces. Inspired by the world of haute horology, the Blue Edition blends the artistry of watchmaking with motorcycle engineering, making it as much a fine piece of craftsmanship as a high-performance machine. Seven. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike. The Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike is a motorcycle unlike any other. Valued at $550,000, this beast of a machine is designed to push the very limits of speed, power, and performance. Powered by a 500 horsepower V10 engine sourced directly from Dodge's iconic Viper sports car, the Tomahawk is capable of reaching mind-boggling speeds of up to 300 mph, making it one of the fastest motorcycles ever built. Its radical, futuristic design features not only cutting-edge engineering but also four wheels that enhance stability at extreme speeds. Though it remains technically classified as a motorcycle. Despite its innovative design, the Tomahawk maintains a raw, aggressive look that mirrors its formidable capabilities. As a limited edition model, with only 9 units ever produced, the Tomahawk is a true collector's dream. Appealing to those who appreciate engineering brilliance, exclusivity, and unmatched power. It's a machine built for the elite. 8. Ecosse Titanium Series FE TiXX. The Ecosse Titanium Series FE TiXX rounds off our list at a modest $300,000, but it's far from ordinary. Built using aerospace-grade titanium, this bike stands as a shining example of cutting-edge technology and engineering excellence. The FE TiXX is powered by a 2.409cc engine, delivering incredible performance with a top speed that exceeds 200 mph, placing it in an elite category of high-performance motorcycles. Its titanium frame offers exceptional strength and durability while maintaining a lightweight structure, resulting in a smooth and responsive ride that few bikes can match. The attention to detail in the design is nothing short of extraordinary. From the hand-stitched leather seat to the custom-crafted exhaust system that enhances both the sound and look of the bike. The Ecosse TiXX is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and innovation, making it a true work of art in the motorcycle world. (9) MV Agusta F4cc. The MV Agusta F4cc is a motorcycle that embodies both style and performance in a way few others do. With a price tag of $120,000, this handcrafted masterpiece is a limited edition, with only 100 units ever produced, adding to its exclusivity and allure. Powered by a 1.000cc inline-4 engine, the F4cc delivers exceptional performance, offering ample power and thrilling speed, making it one of the top choices for serious riders. Its sleek Italian design, complete with polished finishes, aerodynamic contours, and high-quality materials, makes it a true head-turner on any road. Built for riders who value both elegance and speed, the F4cc seamlessly combines cutting-edge technology with timeless beauty. Each detail, from the stunning craftsmanship to the precision engineering, reflects its superior quality. As a result, it's an absolute must-have for collectors and motorcycle enthusiasts seeking the ultimate fusion of art, luxury, and engineering excellence. (10) Confederate FA-13 Combat Bomber. The Confederate FA-13 Combat Bomber is a striking, military-inspired motorcycle that combines rugged aesthetics with precision engineering. Priced at $155,000, this bike is not just about looks, it's designed to deliver exceptional performance and enduring durability. Its unique, aggressive design exudes strength and power, making it stand out in a sea of motorcycles. Powered by a monstrous 2.000C engine, the Combat Bomber offers incredible speed and torque, ensuring a thrilling ride on any terrain. Its rugged appearance is matched by its top-tier performance capabilities, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. The bike's high-tech engineering and military-inspired design have made it a rare, highly coveted item among collectors and motorcycle enthusiasts alike. With only a limited number available, the FA-13 Combat Bomber has become a true icon in the world of high-end motorcycles, combining beauty, brawn, and unmatched craftsmanship. So, which of these luxury rides would you splurge on if money wasn't an issue? From the jaw-dropping Neiman Marcus fighter to the military-inspired Confederate FA-13, each of these motorcycles offers something truly unique. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more incredible lists like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.